Just tiptoeing it. Almost tickled the power band. I'm gonna have to mix her nice and light, boys, because she's gonna be easy on her, I bet. You like the thumb throttle? Hey! Don't go in that much. Yeah, don't do that. You put it in second gear right here. Almost in the power band. Oh, she fell. Just kidding. Why don't you let me ride it?
You okay? What did you do?
I pretty much tried to ride it. I tore. It's the cheap. Hey, don't get your fenders from China. It's the cheap China fenders.
Okay.
My washers and bolts held. Dude, my ass is rash too, I guarantee it. She just kind of tore a little bit because when I went over, I whiskey throttled or something, boys. I whiskey throttled or something.
That's my new bike.
That's why Teresa can't have nice shit. So, there you go.
Yeah, I wouldn't have done that.
That's why Teresa can't have nice shit, man. Damn. Do I have fucking rocks in my ass? Right there's where I landed. I don't have my wallet in my pocket, man, or I wouldn't even fucking...
Sorry, love.
I'm gonna go park this mother. That's what I'm supposed to be doing, I think. I'm gonna walk it. She wants to know if it runs or not. Gosh damn it. It runs. But I don't want to fuck something else up. I wouldn't have had to do this if you would have just hit the damn power band one time. You just putted it around. I didn't even know if the damn clutch would lock out or not. So I had to hit it. And I asked Teresa why she don't give it more throttle on the way up that hill. She knew better than I did. I thought it was gonna be, we need that extended swing arm.